I'm Boo Hiccup, and I'm a magical Gonias. Gonias?
Must fight to get a place. Get a place. Them will take you for a fool if you can run a race. Run that race. Them will take you for a fool if you can run a race. Them will take you for a fool if you can run a race. Listen.
Here's a little bit about my comedy magic show and my children's party entertainment. Will you stop dancing? This is my usual colourful outfit, and here is my show setup. The magic show part of what I do is usually 45 minutes for birthday parties and an hour for schools, corporate events and other family events.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it, move it, move it, move it. Moving your nice and energetic, tick, tick, tick. Moving your nice broad face and your nice hip, hip, hip. Moving your nice and energetic. Big ship on the ocean that be tight and moving your nice broad face and your nice hip. Make man flip and bust them lip. Moving your nice and energetic. Big ship on the ocean that be tight and it. Whoa! I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Yes! Makeup, original cute body make a man more than cute. You don't need no makeup, original cute body make a man more than physically fit, physically fit, physically fit, woman, physically fit, physically fit, physically fit, woman. I like to move it, woman. I like to move it, woman. I like to move it, woman.
At parties and events, I can also play games. Not those kind of games. Party games. Loud games, quiet games, music games, dancing games, quest games, and mini limbo. Stop dancing! And I also do balloon modelling. And close-up magic for children and their families.